what shape do you want to go for? And I'll help you make sure.
So at the Madison-Oneida MOBOCES, I try to do basic coding and STEM activities once a month with the students. So these are B-bots and blue bots. It does a forward, backwards, right, and left, but they have a maze where they have a start point and they have to find each of the shapes. Some of the groups are working on shapes right now in math, so it goes right along with their curriculum. So this is a hands-on experience for them. They're learning basic coding, directionals of activities they need to do. And in the maze here, it's teaching them how to follow a pattern as well.
What's that Steve's doing?
Yeah! We got our next shape!
Every time I come in, they're smiling and they're engaged the whole time.
We're about to get our final shape! We're about to get our triangle! We got the triangle!
Double high five, look at you.
We got